December 18th, 2018, at about 7:30 in the morning when I had my accident. A semi was delivering pipe to the construction area, and he pulled up to the workers and asked them where I dropped this off, parked the truck in the right-hand lane and got out, started arguing with them. And I came along. It was a little foggy that morning and still a little dark. I guess Dan told me it's 66 miles an hour and ran into the back of the semi parked, flew in the air and turned around backwards and landed on the other side of the road. Never saw it coming.
I got a call from the Daytona Beach Hospital, and then they told me there's been an accident. You need to get to the hospital as soon as you can. That's where we found Joe. He looked at me and he said, you need to call Dan.
I didn't talk to Dan physically until I think 2 days later after I went through like 4 surgeries. I mean, I can remember him going out in the hallway and talking to the doctor. He came back a second time. It was on a Sunday. Had a pamphlet of the rehab facility. He said, you've got to go there. You're going to have physical, mental, everything. The very next day, they were there in a van to pick me up, took me to there, and I stayed the next 3.5 months living down there. Don't have to worry about any money. It comes every month. We have said between us, we're going to live the rest of our years as best we can. Relief and a sigh of relief that, wow, this might work out. If I hadn't hired Mowrey Law, I wouldn't be where I'm at today. I can recall several times going into the office to sign papers or to chat with Nancy behind the desk at the time. She came out of the office, came around to the front, grabbed my hand and said, I'm glad you're still here. You better get a law firm like Dan's, Mowrey Law, because if you don't, you're in trouble.